I want to cook up a couple legs of duck. We'll salt them. Pepper. Both sides. We're going to bake these. It's the easiest way to really prepare duck legs, in my opinion. Some pepper. Now I'm going to turn them back over. And I'm going to let these sit here and get room temperature for 60 minutes. After the 60 minutes have come into room temperature, I'm going to poke them. Because I'm using this kind of knife or fork because it's sharper. So I'm going to poke them some. Let some of that excess fat get out. I also cut them right around their legs right there. Okay, and if you have duck fat, you need to add a couple tablespoons of duck fat. I don't have that. So I'm going to use lard. You could use a couple tablespoons of butter, or you could use a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil, something that isn't flavored. And now this goes in my oven. After I put it in my oven, I'll turn it on. You can turn your oven on to 300. Well, the duck has been in the oven for an hour and 45 minutes. It's starting to get crispy. But it needs to brown just a bit more. I'm going to put it back in the oven, turn it up to 325 for about 15 minutes or so. Here it is out of the oven. It was in the oven at 375. I believe I said 325. So 375 for 15 minutes to crisp the skin, as you can hear. Now with this is almost, it's like half duck fat, half lard, which is still extremely good. And you could use this to cook potatoes or something. But the duck, we need to let this cool off about 10 minutes. Here I have my plate made. Go ahead and try some of the duck. And I made some green beans. Went ahead and took some of I put the duck in the oven on warm and made potatoes out of the fat. So very nice. Very nice for a special occasion. Let me eat. It tastes so wonderful. So good. Thank you so much for watching.